How to set up a YouTube live stream. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, we need to make sure that our YouTube is up to date. In order to do so, open up your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, search for YouTube. Tap on the application. If there is an update button, just leave your application for an update. After the update, you can tap on the Open button to launch a YouTube application. Tap on the plus sign icon and select on the Live button. As you can see, you will have to have at least of 50 subscribers and create some of the shorts to unlock live streaming. Now, you have to have your channel verified and no live streaming restrictions within the last 90 days. Those are the criteria to set up a live stream in your YouTube. You may also have at least of 50 to 1000 subscribers in order to set up a live stream. After that, you can easily create a live stream by clicking on the Go Live button. You can also decide for the user's audience age, listed or unlisted, and more of the settings. By this way, you'll be able to set up a YouTube live stream. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.